Ubuntu 26.04 LTS Resolute Raccoon. Everything new in 2026 biggest Linux release. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today is a big day for the Linux world. Canonical has officially released Ubuntu 26.04 LTS, codenamed Resolute Raccoon. This is the latest long-term support version, and it brings some of the most significant changes we have seen in years. Released on April 23, 2026, Ubuntu 26.04 LTS is built for stability, modern hardware, and the growing demands of AI workloads, while keeping that familiar Ubuntu reliability millions of users love. Let's talk about the foundation, new kernel, and graphics. At its core, Resolute Raccoon runs on the Linux 7.0 kernel and the Mesa 26.0 graphics stack. This combination delivers better performance, improved hardware support, and enhanced memory management. Rust components have moved out of the experimental stage, contributing to greater overall system safety and stability. Now, let's talk about the desktop experience. It's fully Wayland. One of the headline changes is that the default Ubuntu desktop is now Wayland-only. This is the first LTS release where GNOME no longer offers a native XOR session. The move aims to provide a smoother, more consistent, and more secure graphical experience, with fewer of the traditional X11 quirks like screen tearing or flickering. Don't worry if you rely on older X11 applications. They continue to run seamlessly through the Xwayland compatibility layer. And if you prefer a traditional X11 desktop, you can still install alternative environments like KDE Plasma, XFCE, MAT, or i3, which supports X11 sessions. Speaking of the desktop, this release ships with the GNOME 50. You'll notice refined visuals, better window placement, new windows now open centered by default, improved accessibility, and smoother animations. The overall feel is polished and modern. Now, let's talk about the new default apps and tools. Ubuntu has refreshed several core applications. Showtime replaces the classic Totem as the default video player. Resources takes over from the old system monitor, offering a cleaner, more accessible way to track CPU, memory, GPU, network, storage, and power usage. The software and updates tool has been retired, with its functionality largely moving into the App Center. There is also a rename. The tracker miners indexers is now called local search. On the package management side, Ubuntu 26.04 introduces APT 3.2, which adds useful features like the ability to undo, redo, or roll back package transactions, similar to what DNF offers on Fedora. This can be a real lifesaver during system updates or experiments. Now, about the security and encryption upgrades. Security remains a top priority. The installer now supports hardware-backed full disk encryption using the Trusted Platform module, which is TPM, on compatible systems, making encryption easier and more secure out of the box. Other resiliences features include improved application permission prompts, expanded use of memory, safe Rust utilities, and live patch support for ARM-based servers. Now, about the AI and hardware acceleration. For developers and creators working with AI or machine learning, this release is particularly exciting. Ubuntu 26.04 brings native support for NVIDIA CUDA and AMD ROCm directly in the official repositories. You can now install these toolkits with simple apt commands without hunting for third-party packages. VA API, accelerated video encoding and decoding, is also enabled by default for better media performance. Now, let's talk about the Ubuntu server highlights. On the server side, you'll find updated versions of key components, including PHP 8.5, PostgreSQL 18, MySQL 8.4, Docker 29, QEMU 10, OpenStack 2026.1, and more. It's a solid foundation for cloud, containers, and enterprise workloads. Now, let's talk about the official flavors. If you prefer a different desktop environment, the official flavors are ready. Ubuntu 26.04 features KDE Plasma 6.6. Ubuntu brings XFCE 4.20. Lubuntu ships with the LXQT 2.3. Ubuntu Budgie uses Budgie Desktop 10.10. Ubuntu Cinnamon comes with Cinnamon 6.4. Ubuntu and Ubuntu Studio round out the lineup with their specialized tools. All flavors are built on the same reliable Ubuntu 26.04 base. Now, about the support and availability. As an LTS release, Ubuntu 26.04 will receive standard security updates and maintenance for 5 years until April 2031. With a free Ubuntu Pro account, you can extend that to 10 years or up to 15 years with the commercial legacy add-on for enterprise users. You can download the desktop, server, and all official flavor ISOs right now from the official Ubuntu website, which is ubuntu.com/download for 64-bit systems as well as AR64, which is ARM64 images. So, who should upgrade? If you are on the Ubuntu 24.04 LTS, this is a major leap forward with 2 years of improvements packed in. Users on 25.10 will get an automatic upgrade prompt soon. Whether you are a desktop user wanting a smoother Wayland experience, a developer working with AI accelerators, or an enterprise admin needing rock-solid stability, Resolute Raccoon has something for you. Now, final thoughts. Ubuntu 26.04 LTS feels like a confident step into the future, embracing modern display protocols, stronger security defaults, easier AI tooling, and better package management, all while staying true to Ubuntu's user-friendly roots. Have you downloaded it yet? Let me know in the comments which features excite you the most. The Wayland-only desktop, the new APT rollback, or the native CUDA or ROCm support. Drop a like if this helped, subscribe for more Linux content, and I will see you in the next one. Peace out.